Greetings everyone, this is Technology Man. Thank you for having me here today to discuss the potential of 3D printing. 3D printing is a revolutionary process of creating three-dimensional objects from a digital file. It is a type of additive manufacturing, which means it builds an object by adding successive layers of material. This process has been gaining more and more attention in recent years, and for good reason. The potential applications of 3D printing are vast. It can be used to produce parts for cars, aircraft, and other machinery. It can also be used to produce medical equipment, prosthetics, and even body parts. Additionally, 3D printing can be used to manufacture consumer items, such as toys, jewelry, and furniture. The benefits of 3D printing are numerous. For one, it is cost-effective. 3D printing reduces the cost of production by eliminating the need for expensive molds and tools. It also cuts down on labor costs by allowing for the printing of objects in a single pass. Additionally, 3D printing has the potential to reduce waste, as it requires less material than traditional manufacturing processes. Furthermore, 3D printing is a fast and efficient process. Objects can be printed in a matter of hours, or even minutes, depending on the complexity of the design. This makes it ideal for prototyping and short-run production. Finally, 3D printing also has the potential to revolutionize the way we live. It can be used to create custom-made products, tailored to individual needs. This could lead to a future where almost anything can be printed on demand. In conclusion, the potential of 3D printing is enormous. It has the potential to revolutionize the way we produce and consume objects, and the way we live our lives. Thank you for your time, and don't forget to subscribe and follow for more.